Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy, Mathematics, SSLC, NCERT, Arithmetic Progressions, 1 mark questions with solutions, prepared by N. Parmesh. Arithmetic Progression, Synopsis. First point, Arithmetic Progression, AP. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Second point, the fixed number small letter d is called the common difference. Third point, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to a3 minus a2, that is equal to a4 minus a3, so on. Fourth point, the general form of an arithmetic progression is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d, so on. Fifth point, in an arithmetic progression with first term small letter a and common difference d, comma, the nth term or the general term is given by an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Sixth point, nth term from the end of an arithmetic progression AP, let the last term of an AP be small b L and the common difference of an arithmetic progression is D. Then the nth term from the end of an arithmetic progression is given by L plus L minus bracket n minus 1 into D. Seventh point, the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus of n minus 1 into D, where small letter a is equal to first term, comma, small letter d is equal to common difference and small letter n is equal to number of terms. Eighth point, the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L, where L is also written as an, where small letter a is equal to first term, comma, L is equal to last term and n is equal to number of terms. First problem, for the arithmetic progression 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 3 by 2, so on. Write the first term small letter a and common difference d. Answer, a first term is equal to 3 by 2. D is equal to a2 minus a1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to, taking 2 as an LCM, 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Second question, find the 10th term of an AP 2, 7, 12, so on. Answer, A is equal to 2, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and number of terms n is equal to 10. Formula an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. A10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1 bracket close into 5 is equal to 2 plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 45 plus 2 is 47. Therefore, the 10th term of the given arithmetic progression is 47. Third question, determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Answer, third term A3 is equal to a plus 2d, that is given as 5. A7 is equal to a plus 6d, that is given as 9. Subtracting opposite sign, plus a minus a get cancelled, minus 4d is equal to minus 4. Through divided by minus 4, d is equal to 1. A plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Hence, the required arithmetic progression is 3, 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 into 2 into 1 5 plus 6, 7, so on. Fourth question, which term of an AP 3, 9, 15, 21, so on is 99? Answer, first term a is equal to 3, d is equal to a2 minus a1, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. An is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. 99 is equal to 3 plus of n minus 1 into 6. 99 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 bracket close 6. 96 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 16 is equal to n minus 1. n is equal to 16 plus 1, n is equal to 17. Hence, the 17th term of a given arithmetic progression is 99. Fifth question, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then its second term is, 4 options are given. Answer, an is equal to 24 minus 3n, a2 is equal to 24 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. That is there in option A. Sixth question, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 5n plus 3, then the third term of the arithmetic progression is, 4 options are given. Answer, an is equal to 5n plus 3, a3 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 5 3 is a 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. That is there in option B. Seventh question, write the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is a and the last term is an or L. Answer, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus an. Eighth question, in an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the given progression is, 4 options are given. Answer, an is equal to 2n plus 1, a1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2 2 is a 4 plus 1 5, d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That is there in option C. Ninth question, in an arithmetic progression an is equal to 3n plus 2, then the 12th term, find the 12th term. Answer, an is equal to 3n plus 2, a12 is equal to 3 into 12 plus 2 is equal to 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. 10th question, the 8th term of an arithmetic progression is 17 and the 19th term is 39. Find the common difference. Answer, d is equal to ap minus aq divided by p minus q is equal to 17 minus 39 divided by 8 minus 19 is equal to minus 22 by minus 11, 11 ones are 11 twos are, common difference is equal to 2. 11th question, find the 10th term of an arithmetic progression 5, 3, 13 so on. Answer, a is equal to 5, d is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, a10 is equal to a plus 90 is equal to 5 plus 9 into 4 is equal to 5 plus 36 is equal to 41. 12th question, if the first term and the common difference of an arithmetic progression are 6 and 5 respectively, find its third term. Answer, a is equal to 6, d is equal to 5, a3 question mark. a3 is equal to a plus 2d is equal to 6 plus 2 into 5 10 is equal to 10 plus 6 16. 13th question, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 4n square minus 1, then its 8th term is, 4 options are given. Answer, an is equal to 4n square minus 1, a8 is equal to 4, 8 square is 64 minus 1 is equal to 256 minus 1 is equal to 255. That is there in option D. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.